Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada Sir. Uh, I will introduce my name first. My name is Adzriel Fahmie bin Amran. Student ID DRO1613 and section RO0. Today, I will present the accident investigation and analysis. For the case report, I choose Enterprise Pascagoula, gas plant, explosion and fire. For the content item, the first one is notification, detail of the fatality site. 3. Classification of the accident, detail of the accident including sketch, immediate cause, underlying cause, root cause, corrective action measure, preventive action measure, and the last one is follow-up, closure, and sign off. Next, okay, we start with notification. Based on NADO 2004, the reporting time period to DOJ is within 7 days to send a report in approved form. Next, the report must be sent to the nearest DOJ office by the quickest means available. Okay. 3 form used for notifying and record keeping, which is first JKKP6 form for accident and dangerous occurrence. Second one, JKKP7 form for notification of occupational poisoning and disease. And the last one, JKKP8 form for notification of occupational accident and dangerous occurrence, occupational poisoning and disease. Next, we go to the detail of the facility site. For the first one is Enterprise Product Pascagoula Gas Plant, PGP, is located in Pascagoula, Mississippi. It was built in 1998, 1999, with the initial partner being Amoco Production Company within 60%, and Shell Midstream Enterprise. Second one, the factory takes raw natural gas via pipeline from offshore oil well in the Gulf of Mexico and separate it into two products, which is liquid natural gas, which are used as a raw material in the chemical industry. And the second is natural gas fuel stream, mostly made up of methane. And the third point, PGP or Pascagoula Gas Plant is covered under the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) Process Safety Management Standard and the Environmental Protection Agency Risk Management Plan and Rule. Next, we go to classification of the accident. All right, for this, for my classification is sudden explosion and fire occur. Next, no abnormal alarm or other indicator warn to any problems. Next, the detail of the accidents, including sketch. Okay, on June 27, 2016, explosion and fire occurred at the Enterprise Pascagoula gas plant in Moss Point, Mississippi. On that night of June 27, two PGP employees, control board operator and an outside operator, were on duty. The red board denotes the position of the initial collapse, which is result in the partial loss of the north cap sheet as well as a piece of numerous. As you can see, the first picture that I just put in there, and in the red box where the damage happened. All right, where the accident happened to. All right. For the last one is a bridge on pipe linked to the header is seen in the red box. A visual field investigation ruled out the later bridge as the source of the original failure. So I just mentioned that in the red box. So the accident happened. Where is the failure? Right. Next, immediate cause. So immediate cause that we have to do is what to do is the breakdown of a brazed aluminum heat exchanger due to thermal fatigue was the most likely cause of this occurrence. The lack of dependable mechanism to verify the mechanical integrity of the heat exchanger contribute to the equipment's catastrophic failure. Next, underlying cause. What is the underlying cause? I configure. I have five points. The first one is to reconstruct the incident and determine the original and subsequent failure location. physical evidence surveillance film from a neighboring industrial complex, and witness testimony were used. Right, between 11 to 20 and 11:21 p.m., a metal temperature sensor attached to the exterior of the ACSRCs communicating. The third one, differential pressure of the tube passes in the ACSR fell to nearly zero, starting between 11:21 and to 11:22 p.m. For the fourth, temperature and pressure sensor on equipment near the ACSR either stop transmitting or detect large temperature increase after 11:23 p.m. For the last one, according to the surveillance video, the resulting fire escalated many times over the course of 35 minutes after the first explosion. For the root cause, the existence of block layers within the exchanger, then thermal fatigue fracture developing in the separating sheet near to the block layers. And the last one is separation of at least one layer from exchanger core. Rectification and measure. The employer should document that the equipment conform with generally known and accepted good engineering principle. Because of that, the employer should publish technical report or recommended practice for our staff or employees safety. All right, ways to execute certain engineering inspection or mechanical integrity activities such as manufacturing a vessel, checking a storage tank, or maintaining a relief valve that are commonly accepted to save. Preventive action and measure. Recommended installing metal temperature sensor on the exchanges and making more procedural modification and procedure modification, cite industry guidance to control the rate of temperature change on the exchanger core to less than 3.5 Celsius min, and you can see. And the second is, as opposed to the metal temperature sensor, the engineer evaluate 13 days of data from the inlet and exit temperature sensors for each exchanger run and communicate his finding to the operation team. All right, the last one, follow up, closure, and sign off. First is linking to any relevant resources and document. Second, emergency response procedures should an accident occur. And the last one is, companies have an important role in ensuring safety of workers. So this is the link for the referral. And thank you for spending time with me. And I hope have a nice day. Thank you.